Hi guys, oggi non è oggi perché era 4 giorni fa, ma voi vedrete il video tra 3 giorni da quando lo sto registrando adesso. È un po' un casino. Ero a Dallas il 4 di febbraio, il tempo era bruttissimo, faceva freddo, le strade erano ghiacciate, non era sicuro uscire per strada, quindi sono stato a casa con i miei amici a passare del tempo con loro, ma anche a finire il lavoro, il video per il corso che sto facendo. Il video che ho iniziato a girare a dicembre, quando ero ancora in Italia, e l'ho terminato ieri. C'è un po' di confusione con i giorni, no? Però la cosa importante è che continuate a guardare questo video e soprattutto che alla fine, nei commenti, mi lasciate qualche feedback, qualche critica costruttiva per continuare a migliorare il mio canale e per fare delle cose piacevoli che vi possano tenere compagnia per 10 minuti ogni mattina. Adesso io vado a editare un altro video, ci sono sempre le occhiette qui a Plenview. Noi ci vediamo domani. The last step. Hi guys, right now I'm in Italy, in Domodossola, in my hometown, next to the Switzerland border. It's a very small town, 20,000 people live around here, in the middle of the Alps. But tomorrow, after 6 months, almost 6 months journey around Europe and Italy, I'm ready to coming back to United States, to Texas.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
And this trip will be the last adventure of my New Balance. These old shoes, I loved it. I did a lot of miles working around Europe, United States and the world. But now they have holes, they are stripping out, like here, so it's time for them to go sleep forever. I am in Milano Malpensa, where I'm getting the first flight. The first leg will be Milano Paris, Charles de Gaulle, where I will have the connection. I think a few hours waiting time, and then directly to Houston, George Bush Houston Airport. Hello. I flew through the terminals because I had a short connection time. It's busy everywhere, but I made it. I can see M25, they already started the boarding, but anyway, I still have 30 minutes. We are waiting, but we don't know what we are waiting for. I landed yesterday in Houston, where I will spend 4 or 5 days. I'm doing couch surfing and I'm a guest. Yesterday, as a welcome party, we smashed some pumpkins.
Don't get on that car, that's a guess. Alright, that way.
Oh,
The Italian home run!
Home run! Yeah!
The American experience, my friend. The cops are gonna come, man.
Okay, we are farming for the next
We
Halloween.
can say this is a tradition in your country.
Yes. I really had a good time yesterday night. It was so fun and we laughed all night long. But anyway, Air France lost my luggage. SIM is still in Paris. But I'm not in a rush because I have to wait the car before to drive to Plainview, Texas in the West Texas. I will spend this time working around the H downtown, Houston downtown, and for sure I'll bring my New Balance and you with me. Finally, I got my luggage, I got the car, but before to leave Houston, I need to refill.